The Tesla Model S power liftgate system integrates several key components working together to provide smooth automatic operation. Here's a simplified blueprint of the liftgate assembly showing its main mechanical components. Electric motors are the powerhouse of the system, providing the mechanical force needed to open and close the liftgate with a simple button press or app command. Hinges connect the liftgate to the vehicle body, enabling it to swing open and closed while providing structural support. Gas-charged struts are pneumatic cylinders filled with nitrogen gas that assist in lifting the heavy liftgate and provide smooth dampening to prevent it from slamming shut. Inside each strut is a piston that moves within a cylinder, using compressed gas to create the lifting force. The motorized latch is an electronic locking mechanism that securely holds the liftgate closed and releases it when commanded. This exploded view shows how all the components fit together, including the motor, screws, and mounting hardware. System failures most commonly occur due to worn struts that lose their gas pressure, latch mechanisms that become misaligned over time, or software issues in the control systems. Vehicles from before 2020 are particularly susceptible to these hardware-related problems. Start with software diagnostics. Tesla's service mode, accessible through the Tesla app, can reveal specific error codes related to the liftgate system. These codes help identify software glitches, sensor malfunctions, or calibration issues that might be causing the boot to stick or fail. If diagnostics point to a glitch, a simple reset can often fix the issue. Disconnect the 12 volts battery for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the liftgate module. This clears temporary faults and allows the system to recalibrate. Tesla's latest V2025-45 software update has made significant improvements. It includes enhanced diagnostics that use AI-driven sensors to predict issues and automatically adjust components, reducing liftgate failures by about 40% compared to previous versions. Weak or leaking struts are a frequent cause of power liftgate problems in the Tesla Model S. These gas-charged cylinders provide lift and dampening, but degrade over time, typically after 50,000 to 100,000 miles, losing pressure or leaking fluid. To inspect, safely raise the vehicle using jack stands. Check both struts for oil residue, corrosion, or uneven wear. A healthy strut should hold the liftgate open steadily without sagging. If struts are worn, replacement is straightforward. Aftermarket kits from brands like Monroe and Sachs are available for $50 to $200 and offer Tesla-specific compatibility. Replacing struts is a DIY-friendly task. Watch tutorials from channels like Tesla Repair Guy for step-by-step guidance. The process involves removing the old struts, installing new ones, and testing the liftgate operation. Latch misalignment prevents complete closure. The latch engages with a striker on the body. To fix this physically, loosen the striker plate and realign it for a secure fit. Tesla's service mode can also calibrate latch positions. A 2024 recall addressed latch issues with software updates and minor adjustments. Many Tesla Model S liftgate issues can be fixed through do-it-yourself methods, especially simple mechanical repairs. Strut replacement and latch adjustment are common DIY projects that vehicle owners can handle with basic tools and affordable parts. For hardware fixes like worn struts, owners can purchase aftermarket kits for $50 to $200. Often available from automotive suppliers. These kits include replacement parts and basic instructions for installation. However, complex electrical issues or problems that persist despite DIY attempts should be handled by professional technicians. These may involve wiring, motor failures, or software glitches that require specialized equipment. Tesla provides free inspections for liftgate issues under their extended warranty programs, which can help identify whether a problem needs professional repair or can be resolved with simple adjustments. Modern Tesla vehicles include self-diagnostic tools accessible through the Tesla mobile app, allowing owners to check system status and run basic tests before deciding between DIY fixes or professional service. Preventive care is essential for maintaining the Tesla Model S power liftgate system. Inspect the struts annually to catch wear early and prevent failures. Tesla is advancing towards proactive maintenance with AI-driven diagnostics that monitor system health in real time. Future models will feature fully electric actuators, eliminating the need for mechanical struts entirely. Telematic systems will alert owners to potential issues months in advance, ensuring reliability. A 2018 Model S with 150,000 miles experienced recurrent boot sticking due to worn struts. The owner used a $75 aftermarket strut kit from Amazon, guided by YouTube tutorials. Post-fix, the vehicle passed Tesla's diagnostics, illustrating the effectiveness of affordable replacements for older models. Multiple owners reported a widespread glitch in 2025 where the liftgate wouldn't close after winter exposure. Tesla's OTA fix recalibrated the sensors, resolving 95% of cases without hardware intervention, per user surveys. Certified Tesla mechanics emphasize preventive care. Strut failure is preventable with annual inspections, says one expert, noting that 70% of liftgate issues stem from neglected struts. Statistics from Tesla's 2025 owner survey show 15% of Model S owners report liftgate problems annually, down from 25% in 2023. DIY fixes account for 60% of resolutions, with average repair costs at $150 for struts versus $500 plus at dealerships.